The X299 is not a CPU. It is a chipset made by Intel. The chipset is like the brain center that helps the CPU and other parts talk to each other. X299 supports Intel Core X series CPUs. These are powerful processors for high-end computers. These CPUs fit into a special socket called LGA 2066 found on X299 motherboards. The X299 chipset was released in 2017 to work with the strong Intel CPUs like Skylake-X, Kaby Lake-X, and Cascade Lake-X. It provides features such as 24 PCIe lanes for fast data transfer, many USB 3.0 ports, support for fast DDR4 memory, and advanced technologies like Intel Optane Memory. The chipset is made for users who want very fast and powerful PCs, like gamers and content creators. In short, the X299 is a chipset, not the CPU itself, but works closely with special Intel CPUs designed for high performance. If thinking simply, the CPU is the engine. The X299 chipset is the control hub that connects all parts, so the engine runs smoothly. The Intel X299 chipset is suitable for high performance and heavy-duty tasks. It is designed for users who need powerful computers, such as gamers, video editors, 3D modelers, and professionals working with AI or deep learning. Key tasks suitable for the X299 chipset include running multiple heavy programs at the same time without slowing down, video editing and rendering large, high-quality videos smoothly. 3D modeling and animation require a lot of processing power. Gaming with high graphics settings using multiple graphics cards. Working with large data sets or complex simulations in science and engineering. Building professional workstations with fast storage using Intel Optane technology and NVMe SSDs. Overclocking the CPU and RAM for even faster performance, supported by strong power delivery and cooling features. The X299 chipset supports Intel Core X series processors with up to 18 cores, quad-channel DDR4 memory, and up to 24 PCIe 3.0 lanes for fast connections to graphics cards and storage. It also provides many USB 3.0 ports for fast data transfer. In summary, the X299 chipset is for users who need top speed, multitasking ability, and support for advanced technology in gaming, content creation, and professional computing.
Simply click the link below to learn more.